Hi loves, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for always watching and clicking to any video I upload. So today's video is a dread tutorial in which I'm going to be installing and styling the dread at the same time. So you get about two in one video. You get two different tutorials in one video, so stay tuned so that you can watch and understand and also learn something new. Also try not to skip any part so that you don't get confused. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up and also share the video to friends and family. First, I'm just going to section the hair into two different sections, the back and the front section, in which the back section is bigger in size or is larger in size to compare to the front section. So I just have a small portion in front and big portion or large portion at the back. For the front part of the hair, I'm just doing flat twist, in which I'm using both spray gel and also bobby pins to achieve it. If you do want to see a detailed tutorial on this, how to do a flat twist, you can leave a comment in the comment section below so that I can film a detailed tutorial. But I think I do have a detailed tutorial, but I'm not sure. I'm going to leave a link. If at all I do have one here on this channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. But if you're a professional on this style, that's the flat twist, would like to see your comment as well on how you do achieve yours. So that is if you actually flat twist differently. So I would like to see like your comment on how you do yours, how you do achieve flat twist. Okay, now for the flat twist, I'm just twisting the hair with my fingers like so. At this point, we'll allow you guys to watch so that you get a better view and understand what I'm really doing.
And I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
After flat twisting, this is what the hair looks like, or what the client hair looks like, before I move over to the next step. Now for the back of her hair, or the back side, I'm just doing box braid, and I'm box braiding her hair in lines. When I section out the parts I want to box braid, we just apply edge control to the parts just for moisture and also to give it some shine, and also help to like bring together all the small hairs before I start box braiding. So I do have a tutorial on how to box braid. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box below. But if you want an updated video on how to box braid, just leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, now for the box braid, you just want to separate the hair into three different portions equally, and then you just start crossing them together like so. Okay, now moving on to the next step, but before then, I just want to let you guys know so that you have this at the back of your mind, if at all you want to achieve this hairstyle, that the quantity of dread or the number of dreads will be determined by the amount of box braid you actually made. So that is, if you have about 20 box braids or 20 box braid on her hair, that means you're going to have just 20 dreads. So if you want more, or you want the dread to be very full, so you are going to like make the box braid as plenty as possible. So yeah, you can as well make your dreads to be either full or scanty, depending on what you want or what your client wants. Okay, now once I'm done box braiding, this is what it looks like before I move on to the next step. Okay, now I'm just packing the hair together, leaving out the back side just so that I can start installing the dread. The product I'm using for today's tutorial is called Jamaican Locks. It's an Xpression product. The fiber is being produced by Q-Rank. Q-Rank is a brand specialized in dreadlocks fiber. The fiber is visible in Xpression dreadlocks products, as Q-Rank fiber is used in making products such as Xpression Goddess Locks, Xpression Reggae Mask, Xpression Mentor, and Xpression Jamaican Locks. Q-Rank fiber promotes your passion and freedom for styling. It has natural texture like an original African hair texture. Q-Rank gives you various styles, as you can see in Xpression dreadlock products. It is a quick, reggae, and easy to wear hair. So like I said before, I'll be styling the Jamaican locks, in which is very special and different in size and length. In a pack you get about 24 pieces and it's available in different colors. You can get color 33, you can get a plain black, and also get like color 39 as well. It is also lightweight, and I love the fact that one can easily just hide the natural hair, as a hairstylist can easily just hide natural hair in between the locks because of its size. While for this particular style I'm using just one pack. For installation, I'm just using needle and threads to install the dreads. The first thing to do while installing is just to measure the length of the hair, making sure that one side of the dread is longer than the other side. So the shorter length is what I'm going to use to cover up her natural hair. After that, we'll just start securing it by using needle and thread to do so. Moving on, next is just to join the ends of the dreads. That's the shorter length and the longer length. I'm making sure that I'm putting the natural hair, that's my client natural hair, in between it. And as I'm sewing in, as I am stitching, I'm making sure that her natural hair is not visible. For the stitching, this is not the regular way of stitching. The stitching is quite different, so just watch the video while I stitch. So for the stitching for this particular one, remember that the dread extension is thick, so the stitching is different. So I'm going to be stitching the hair like twice. I'll stitch from the bottom down to the tip of the hair, that's the tip of the short length hair. Then from there we'll sew down back to the bottom. Hope you get it. Then for stitching, I'm just pushing the needle from the right side of the head down to the top of where I actually joined the two dreads or the extension, then bring it out from there, and then we'll use the needle and push it right back from the top part to the right side. And while pushing it, I'm making sure that the natural hair is covered, is properly covered. Just watch the video clearly so that you see what I'm doing. But like I said before, while I'm putting the needle or stitching it, I'm making sure that I'm dragging some hair to just cover up all the spaces, just so that no one can detect that is actually fake dread. So watch the video like I said.
Everything thinking, baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody.
So we'll continue stitching like so until I get to the end of the shorter length of the extension or the dread. So I'm just going to leave a link in the description box below on different ways to sew in dreads. So I have about 3 to 4 videos right now. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below so that you can go and check them out. And for this particular product, there are different ways to install it. So I'm going to be doing a second video on how to install this particular Jamaican locks. So just stay tuned, and if you are new here, go ahead to subscribe so that you join the family and get notified anytime I upload a new video. So we'll allow you to go ahead to watch the video or watch this installation like 2 more times and move over to the next step, which is styling. Installing this hairstyle can actually take about 4 to 5 hours, it depending on how fast you are, and also depending on the number of box braid you actually created. So for us here, it took us about 4 hours to install it, so it takes a long time. But the good thing about it is that you can wear the hair for a very long time.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty, everything thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like
after stitching, this is what the hair looks like after stitching, installing the dreads. This is what it looks like. So we just go ahead to start wrapping or packing or styling the hair. For wrapping or for styling, I'm just crossing the hair like so. So just watch what I'm doing.
You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
Yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Please do not forget to share the video, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for always watching. Thank you for always staying tuned. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.